I go. Everything I do it with a passion.
You're the type of woman, fistful of diamonds. Maybe you're a star.
Hey Glammies, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I sat down and filmed this whole video, but guess what? It wasn't recording. So here I'm doing a talk-through review of all these Makeup Revolution products that I got. I got the highlighter, I got the concealers, and I also got the eyeshadow palette. When I tell you guys that I am in love and obsessed with that highlighter, you will see later. I got this Sophie X Revolution collab palette. This palette is amazing, guys, so keep watching to see what I do with these products. So this is just me swatching them, some of them on the back of my hand. I chose some shimmer, some mattes, and they're all pigmented. Look at that, gorgeous. So at first I'm gonna start off with going in with the concealer shade CW11, and I really like the applicator. As I was showing you guys, it's like a doe foot applicator, and I've never had such a big applicator because I always use LA Girl Pro concealers. Those are my go-to concealers, and you know, there's only a little wand on it. I also was really feeling this color, and this concealer is so easy to blend out. It blends out like a dream, and I applied it in sections because I saw that other YouTubers were saying that it dried really fast. But in my opinion, it dries a normal speed. It's just that if you put on too much product, like a lot of YouTubers do for like filming to make it look extra and dramatic, it will probably cake up faster because you're taking more time to blending out. But if you put a natural amount like I do, then you should be fine. So this color really brightens, conceals, and lifts my face, which is why I really love it. It kind of has a yellowy neutral undertone. Like, it's not too yellow, it's not too neutral. So that really complements my skin. And I'm just going underneath my eyes and all the regular places like my chin and my forehead and my nose. I'm just going to set it with my Sacha Buttercup powder, because I always have to set my concealers, especially when my skin is puffy underneath my eyes, but I did not bake with it. And then I'm going in with the darkest shade, and I'm going to contour. I was really scared to cream contour again because I usually use stick or like really not watery and liquidy contours, but this contour still came out really good, and I love it as well. The one thing that got me was contouring my nose, though. I tried to go so lightly, but it still came out a little tough, so I had to go back over with the concealer again. But don't worry, you can always fix your mistakes when you're doing your makeup. So next I'm just I'm setting my face because I noticed that these products are really mattifying, and I have matte skin, so I just needed some hydration. And now I'm just setting the contour with my Ruby Kisses palette, and I'm just taking the darkest shade to contour up, because everything that I use in cream, I use a powder on top so that it lasts all day. And you guys see how flawless my face is looking. It's looking so airbrushed in HD. I love it. So next we're going to go into using the palette, and when I tell you that this palette is gorgeous and great for every type of makeup artist, it is. So I just went in with that light cream color, and it wasn't really showing up on my skin, but I tried to make something happen out of it, even though it wasn't really happening. So then I just moved into that nice cream, burnt cream color, and I'm just applying that into my crease as my first transition shade, and making sure to blend it out nicely and to build up the color the way that I want it. Lastly, I'm going to go into this brownie chocolate shade, and I'm just going to put it in the inner and outer parts of my eye, and then I'm just going to connect it because I will be doing a halo eye. I decided last minute to do a halo eye because I hadn't done one in a while, so I said, why not? Let me give it a try, and it actually came out really pretty. And the thing that I like about these eyeshadows are that they are super buildable, so they don't give you too much pigment at first. You can really work up to it and work with it. So now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm just cutting my crease, but only a half cut crease right in the center of my eye for that halo look. And I'm going to go in with this gorgeous green shade. As soon as I opened the palette, I knew that I wanted to use that green shade, and it is so pigmented and beautiful. And the best thing about it is you can use it with a brush or your finger. It gives the same amount of payoff. So here I was using a brush and it was coming out very vibrant and pretty. And then I dipped in my finger and used my finger as well, and it was still vibrant and pretty. So I just went back to using the brush so I wouldn't have to get my finger messy. So you guys can tell. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Then I'm going to go in with that darker mermaid blue, even though I just pointed to the green again by accident. And I'm just going to further make this a halo, and I'm going to put those on the two outer sides of the cut crease. And it just gave like a nice holographic look. And now I'm going in with this highlighter that I love. Oh my God. Do y'all see that highlight? I could literally drench myself in that highlight. It is super gold. Perfect for dark skin tones. It looks amazing in the nighttime. So here I am just layering it and going ham for no reason. But it was so beautiful I couldn't help myself. So I just put it on the cheekbones, my nose, put it on my cupid's bow, put it on my shoulders. I put it everywhere. And then after that, I'm just going to blend everything all together because, you know, you don't want to be looking like your highlight is one strip on your face. So I just took my powder brush and blended everything together. And then I just took this Wet n Wild Matte Fix Plus, and I never tried it before, which is why I included it in this video because I wanted to try it out, so I did. And then lastly, I'm just going to finish up with a Glam Queen lipstick. If you are interested in Glam Queen lipsticks, check out my website down below. There is also a coupon code, so hook yourself up. And also the lashes that I have on my eyes are from my website as well. They're in the style Fierce, and they are only $7 for those Mink lashes. That's a steal, and you know it. So enough promoting myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll be back for the next videos. Love, peace out. Have a happy Valentine's Day because it's tomorrow. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. What are you doing? Subscribe before you leave. Bye bye.